Alright, we're back. So clean this out as best I can up in there. Still kind of dirty. The support bushing piece is still stuck in the bottom of the hole down there, so it's in there. So we don't have to put that in there, it's already in. So basically I just slip it together. In there. So I can be able to put oil on the top, that's good. Okay, I gotta lubricate up this seal here. Brass washer is well deformed. Alright, I'm not going to get any of that down there. Just put a little bit of snot on it and call it done, I guess. Try to push it down between there if possible. Yeah, a little bit of it got in there. Alright. Went in there better than I thought it would. That's way too much. That's okay. Makes a better mess that way. Wipe off the excess. Appears to be tight. Okay. Wipe off all the excess goo off my finger. I have these renewable leather gloves on. Self-healing. There you go. Good as new. Keeps your skin nice and oiled too. Or dry, depending on what chemicals are on it. Alright, now we need to put this in. And the washer does not fit in the hole, it's not a good sign. Restriction here, trying to shove over. It's not the best. Well, oh, this seal I'm pushing my fingers. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, that's a good seal. Finger strength. Push it right in flush. See. Okay, so now we need our installation tool. 2 washers, round side down. Special attachment block. There we go. We'll go down and beat the hell out of it on our vise. That is a hard stop. We didn't get that before. 2 washers came out, that's good. Oh yeah, she's way down there this time. That other seal didn't go this deep. So I guess it wasn't installed quite all the way. This one's all the way down. You can hear the hard stop before it hit. Now we put our snap ring in there. This one will probably go in nice and easy. The other one wasn't quite that easy. Well, this one isn't either. Okay, do it the other way. I've got some fingernails that go in deeper. Screwdriver. Where's missing my screwdriver? There it is. Way over there. Top. Yeah, this one was a gap between the seal and the snap ring. The other one it wasn't. But it was in there. Okay. That's assembled. Tube goes up and down. Let's do a test fit to make sure it screws in. Okay, it's screwed in. Should go up and down. Oh yeah, 90-10. I can feel the spring on the back side. Good. The bottom's out hard. It's got a soft there, so when you top it out, it won't go clunk. Anyone know how much travel you have? You have a nice mark here where it's sliding up and down with the seal. Looks like about 4 3/4 inches to me. Oh, look at that. It's 4 3/4 to 4 7/8. Oh, pretty good guess, huh? Yeah. Got educated eyeballs. Okay, I think that'll work. So now I'm just going to unscrew it, put some oil in it. Now stock is 11.5 ounces, I think the Indian book said. The problem is how much are we going to actually put in here? $11.5 is a lot. So we know we have to compress the front end basically 5 inches. So that means if we make this thing 5 inches from here to here, you could put oil up that much in there and it wouldn't hydrolock. You have a lot of air pressure, but it wouldn't hydrolock. I think it should be a little bit lower than that because you want some room for the air also. If we give it an extra inch, or basically bottom it out, put oil in there until you get the top of that. That's 5 5/8 inches. So you can fill it up to here without a problem. So we're going to put 11.5 ounces into the container, and then we're going to fill it up and see how far it goes. And if it fills this tube up completely, we're not putting it all in there. I'll probably stop a little bit below the surface to make sure I got room for air and stuff. Kind of an important thing to have air in your fork, otherwise it might blow all the crap out of your seals. That's when people talk about blowing their seals out. It doesn't happen unless there's no room. Too much oil. People swear about tying their bike down, it's going to blow your seals out with straps. I laugh. You know, you think it happens when you hit a pothole in the road. Okay, so we got our oil container here that has a hole in it. right here. It's so old. This is that Spectro 10 weight, made in USA. You know it's good stuff. Brand new container. Yeah, I had to bust that sucker open. It's only got this much oil in it. I think there's an oil leak. Okay, you got to determine we're 11.5 ounces of that, or at least 11. Okay, 11 ounces. 2 liters. What's 2 mean? 2.5, 2.0 ounces fluid. There we go. 12 and 10. So 11's right here in the middle. So if you mark it so you can see, that's 11. They said 11.5. Plus you got oil cleaning a container. Oh, it's blue. Look at that. Fancy. Okay, there is 11 ounces. That's plenty. We're not going to spill a drop. Again. Alright, so the best way not to spill it is make it where you don't move it. You got a vise, use it. Problem is I can't see, so I don't like this method. See, this method sucks. It's too tall. Now if I stand up on something I can see, because I got no other way of holding this. So we need something to stand on. Datsun 521 pickup truck. I went through a lot of transmission back in the day. I think my record is 17 trannies on one truck. I didn't own it that long either. I was good at rebuilding those. They have crappy trannies.